We have set the cell styles to quick access toolbar, and already set individual cell styles that will be frequently used. Here's the typical financial model worksheet format. You would first narrow the first couple of columns. We will see later that by setting headings and labels in different columns, users can easily jump between headings, and visibility and transparency increase. Then you want to dedicate one column for unit of measure, such as dollar, volume, days, etc. Then select the entire column to align data in the middle of the column. Leave one extra blank column after unit of measure. This is because some of the formulas, such as cash beginning balance, refer to the column immediately left to itself. In such case, without having extra blank column, year 1 would be referring to the text data within the unit of measure column, and produces errors. Just because year 1 produces error calculation, we do not want to use the different formula for year 1. This extra column avoids the errors, and enables consistency of formulas across the columns, and is critically important to avoid errors. Assuming we are building yearly model, rather than just inputting 2020, we encourage to input the entire day, month, year, and use number format to show just the year. It's a good idea to hide all the columns to the right, as it will help us jump around the worksheets using shortcut, without jumping all the way to the right end of the spreadsheet. Adjust the width of the columns, and use the shortcut, Alt-W, F to freeze panes.